Metacognition can be a useful tool for students to grasp concepts that might be otherwise difficult. As teachers, how do we help them develop this skill? Through a variety of teaching practices, we can help students develop a deeper understanding of how they think, feel, and act. The purpose of this video is to introduce how to use Smart Notebook to support different pedagogical models in the classroom to encourage a deeper level of thinking. Smart Notebook provides the world's best education software, so students, teachers, and devices can all connect to turn lessons into enriching learning experiences. It facilitates engaging and interactive learning experiences while providing the flexibility to respond to the needs of learners in real time. As found by a recent study, technology alone does not guarantee better outcomes. But what Smart found with a study on teaching, technology, and learning is that while the primary element for student success and outcomes is consistent use of best teaching practices, great education software and purpose-built hardware play a fundamental role in student achievement as well. Teachers can utilize various teaching methods along with Smart Notebook to effectively teach a new topic for students. For example, Ms. Francis is developing her lesson plans on multiplying fractions. She starts off by reviewing reducing fractions with her class. She developed a notebook file with examples, then asked several students to come to the board and review with the class how to reduce fractions. She also included an interactive activity for students to practice with. Once Ms. Francis feels comfortable that the students understand reducing fractions, she decides to teach her class how to multiply fractions using a notebook file she created. Once she feels students are grasping the concepts, it is time for the students to practice. She develops a formative assessment using Smart Response, and with that data, she can decide how she wants to proceed. Maybe a whole class approach is necessary if many students aren't grasping the concepts. Or maybe a small groups approach might be an option if a smaller number of students are struggling. Smart Notebook allows teachers to utilize both technology and teaching practices to achieve the outcomes they are looking for with their students. So how will you increase metacognition in your classroom?